Hi everyone, today I'm gonna show you how you can send big files without limits using transfer.zip, fully open source, ad-free and no limit file transfer website. To send a file, you just pick your file here and choose, let's say I wanna send this little movie and I also want to send this folder and all the files in the folder. Look, it now added all the files in the folder and I'm just gonna click transfer. And here I click copy and share the link with my friend. My friend opens the page and the files get transferred instantly. Look, that was easy. There's no ads, there is no cookie pop-up, there's no limit. You can choose files of any size and it works very well. If you want, you can follow my channel. I'm gonna start posting about how I managed to create transfer.zip and the business and everything about it. This is my Stripe dashboard at the moment. I released transfer.zip about a week ago, the subscriptions, and we are up to $90 MRR. Pretty big churn rate at the moment, but I have sold for a bit more than $100 in 1 week. So if you want to follow my journey, just subscribe, click the button and stay tuned for more videos.